Hey guys, it's good to see everyone today. Today we're going to start taking a look at solving systems of equations. There are three ways to solve them. Today we're going to look at the first one, solving systems by graphing. So what I'd like for you to do is pause the video and copy these notes. So now that you've copied these notes, I want you to copy our first four examples. And the reason I want you to do this is we're going to have to switch over to another tab. So again, copy these four problems. Now that you have copied these four problems, I want you to go to our homepage, our math homepage. We are actually going to use Desmos for this. Okay? So I have that link that says online calculator. I want you to click that link. As you noticed in our notes, when we graph two lines, that's called a system of equations. Where those lines meet, that is your solution. We also have special cases, but we'll get to those in a minute. So in Desmos, you're actually going to type your two equations. So the first one is y equals negative 6x minus 4. And the next one is negative 4 equals negative 2y. So you'll notice it graphed our two lines. Our solution to this system is negative 1, 2. And I will tell you, whenever you write these, because on your quiz for this lesson, you're going to have to type this answer in. I expect to see the parentheses, negative 1, comma, 2, closing parenthesis. So now let's look at example 2. So the first equation is 4x plus y equals 2. You hit enter. And the second equation is x minus y equals 3. So I see my system and I notice they touch. See, you can actually mouse over their point of intersection. So the solution to this system, or the point of intersection, is 1, negative 2. And again, if you're typing these or writing these, I want to see parentheses, 1, comma, negative 2, closing parenthesis. Now let's look at our two special cases. Look at example 3. So you're going to type negative 2x minus y equals 1, enter. Negative 6x minus 3y equals 3. What do you notice there? Those are the same exact line. If you graph two lines, a system of equations, and you get the same exact line, you have an infinite number of solutions. That means every point that's on those two lines make that system true. Okay, so if it's the same line, you have an infinite number of solutions. And then let's look at our last special case, x minus 2y, and this is example 4. X minus 2y equals negative 8. Enter. Negative 6 minus 2y equals negative x. Look at these two lines. We talked about these types of lines before. These two lines are parallel. That means they never touch. Well, if a point of intersection is a solution to a system and these never touch, that means there's no solution. There's no point where these two will ever intersect or cross each other. So if you graph it and you get two parallel lines, your answer is no solution. I do want to make one final point. Going back to these equations, and I'm actually going back to number 1. Going back to the equations or the system of equations that cross at one point, jot this down in your notes. Let me graph it first. That point, negative 1, 2, I can plug that point into both of those equations and it will make them true. That's why it's the solution to this system. So I will talk to you guys later. Use your notes to help you. Bye.